8 months after India-China standoff, the famous Pangong Lake in Ladakh has been reopened for tourists. India Today is the only channel that has reached Pangong Tso Lake after it reopened. Watch this exclusive report by my colleague Ashraf Wani.
We are at 17,688 feet height on the Changla Pass. This is second highest motorable pass in the world after the Khardungla, and basically this is the gateway for the LAC, and each and every vehicle or any army movement which has to be go towards the line of actual control have to proceed through this pass, and it remains frozen not only in the winter and summer but throughout the year. At this time, when it is the 6 p.m. here time, the temperatures here are minus 28 degrees. So one can assess that how tough and challenging this access towards the line of control is, not only for the troops but even for the people living near line of control. We are here on the line of actual control in Ladakh, but for our viewers, this site is a unique site what we are seeing here. This is a group of Ladakh ibex, are commonly known as Himalayan sheep, the wild animal, and you can see how freely they are roaming in this environment where the temperatures in the day as well as in night are declining below 20 to below 50 degrees centigrade during the night. In fact, particularly a small sunshine in the day, and these Ladakh apex had come on the road, and these sites are rare here on the line of actual control. During the heavy build up by the Chinese army on the line of actual control and then responded by the Indian army on the LAC, in fact these wild animals here on the line of actual control are also getting affected. Basically, this is the Pangong Lake, not only the world famous lake, but in fact the highest lake in the Himalayas and one of the longest freshwater lake in the Himalayan terrain. And the most part of this lake is already with the Tibet, which is now controlled by the China. 1/3 of this lake is with the India, and which is being guarded by the Indian armed forces. In fact, there are different fingers. Finger 1 starts from this point, then another mountain, it is finger 2, then finger 3, and the last mountain which is visible in our camera is the finger 4, where there is confrontation between Indian army and Chinese army. Basically, earlier the Indian army was not deployed on these fingers so aggressively as it is now. There was patrolling from the both armies. The Indian army was claiming up to the finger 8, which is very far from this point, and the Chinese army was claiming till finger 4. कितनी दिक्कतें आप लोगों की हुई और कितना जो नुकसान हुआ है आप लोगों का, अब सरकार ने फैसला किया है कि पेंगोंग लेक पे लोगों को छोड़ दिया जाएगा, क्या उससे कुछ फायदा होगा आपका?
अभी तक तो इतना फायदा नहीं है, क्योंकि अभी छोड़ के कुछ दिन हो गए। बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम है सर। एक तो इस साल कोरोना की वजह से हमारे यहाँ बहुत ही दिक्कतें हैं, क्योंकि इस साल हमारा चाहे बिजनेस वाला हो चाहे जो भी हो, उसमें हमें काफ़ी दिक्कत आया है, क्योंकि पेंगोंग लेक इस साल बिल्कुल ही बंद रहा है सर, 1 साल के लिए। अभी खुल गया तो हमें खुशी है, मगर अभी तक हमारा होटल पूरा बंद है, क्योंकि ये कोरोना की वजह से।
कोई आ नहीं रहा है?
कोई आ नहीं रहा सर।
The economy of the most of the people living in this region depends wholly and solely on the tourism of Pangong Lake. After opening, we are seeing that we are the first members, or we can say the first team which has reached this famous Pangong Lake of the Ladakh. And here it is clearly visible. We have seen the deployments of the Indian Army, but being the responsible channel of the country, we could not show those images how the Indian Army is completely geared up and in a prepared position to counter any kind of Chinese aggression, and also in the different fingers how the Indian Army has made its advances and is deploying its troops and had deployed its troops. That could be seen here but could not be shown on public television due to the security reasons. With Rauf Ahmed Ashrafani for India Today in Pangong Lake, Ladakh.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.